Hey y'all, welcome back to the Coco Chameleon channel. This is your girl Bree. Today we're doing a full package reveal, install, and hair review. My vendor Emily sent me this gorgeous 18-inch human hair half a wig 3-in-1 drawstring curly unit, and we're about to get into all the details. So let's start with the unboxing. Soon as I took this unit out of the package, y'all listen, it is so full, so soft, and these curls, baby, they understood the assignment. In the cap construction, you can see 3 in the front, 1 in the back, combs for security, plus an adjustable drawstring band to keep everything locked in and comfortable. Perfect for half up styles, ponytails, or just a natural curly look. My package also came with some goodies. It came with a wig cap and a silk headband to help lay the front of my hair down. Before putting the unit on, I need to get my natural hair prepared. So I part my hair right above my ears. That way I can leave the front out so it blends seamlessly with the wig. I went ahead and braided the rest straight back. Now let me pause right here. I'm not a braider, okay? So if you see these braids and they look a little wavy, wiggly, or confusing, mind your business and give a girl an A for effort. Thick hair girls, y'all understand. Once the braids were done, it was time to install. I made sure the combs align right where the leave out starts, so the front of the wig sits naturally, and then secure the back with the adjustable drawstring. It honestly snaps right into place. Once everything felt snug, I fluffed the curls a bit just to shape them to match my face and shape. For my leave out, I use My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Curly Cream, one of my favorite go-tos. I just two-stranded twist the hair I left out and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And y'all, quick tip, the longer you let it set, the curlier your natural hair will be. If you have time, let it cook. After my twists dried, I unraveled them and blended them into the unit. To really finish the look, I added a black headband across the front to hide the wig track or the half wig seam. It makes everything look super natural and put together. And whoo, y'all, hold on. Do you see this? This is giving I woke up like this, mixed with don't talk to me unless your curls are moisturized. The hair is soft, it blends effortlessly, it's super easy to install, and honestly, this is one of those grab and go units every curly hair girl needs in their collection. 10 out of 10 from me. If you're interested in this unit, definitely check out Emily's Amazon store. I'll have the link in the description box below. Make sure you follow her on all social media platforms to stay updated on new units and styles. And while you're here, make sure you follow me on all socials and subscribe to the Coco Chameleon channel for more hair reviews, vlogs, and everything beauty. Alright y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!